morning, guys. Happy Monday. So good. Woke up to so many new besties, and I just wanted to say thank you, and you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. We were supposed to wake up bright and early and go on a nice long family walk, but it is pouring outside, so that calls for a stay-at-home day. We're all staying in our PJs too. We're not changing. We have 16 days until our Disney trip to Florida, and there's still so much to do. We have to buy luggage, we have to buy air tags. It just hit me that we actually have to pack the stroller and the car seat. I wonder if we have to pay extra for that. Now let's go make some breakfast. Liam attempted to make coffee and...
Tastes like dirt. Thank you for today, Lord. Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm. Very.
This one Wednesday is like a normal day for the whole school. And they had this teacher